Never have I ever been to London.
Never have I ever eaten pum pum.
Me never did that again.
Raise your glass. No, that's a lie from the pits of hell.
What?
The pits of hell.
This me. I have never done that, man. Put on a cup. But don't drink for the night.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Why the f you lie?
So you think me a liar? You think me a liar? Yo, hear me as one.
Yeah.
Never have I ever done that.
That is a lie.
I have never done that a day in my life. Look, you know, if me ever near pum pum, make God strike me 3 times with lightning right now.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people don't know say about Yaadman Etan? I'm a there with
Sonia Marie.
Talk up, the people that can't hear you.
Sonia Marie.
Sonia Marie, what kind of accent they may hear right there? So?
A British accent.
A British accent. Where you coming from?
I'm come from Sheffield in the UK.
Sheffield in the UK. So all my British subscribers, they don't know, say I pure love and all them something there. So you know what we're doing today?
Yeah, never have I ever.
Never have I ever. And so what we're doing with never have I ever. We're not playing never have I ever with fingers. Oh no. No. We have, you know, some. Is it messy? We have
some contraband.
I'm not trying to get arrested. No. I wouldn't say contraband, but you know, say the buckle them and all them thing there, isn't it? So we're gonna have fun with this one. Never have I ever on all these things. Right, so I know some of the people them still shook over the skit that I put in the first part of the video. Yo, don't worry about that. It's a video. It's a skit and all these things. Alright, so my dear.
Yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let us take a cheers.
Okay.
And sip some before we even start. So the rules are simple. I'm going to come up with something, never have I ever done this. If she has done that, or even if I have done my own something, we'll have to take a drink for it. You understand? And yeah, we're just going to go on until somebody don't want to continue. Alright, so who will go first?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Never have I ever had my toes sucked.
Bloody hell. No. Okay.
Sure.
I'm sure.
Sure.
I'm sure that one just caught me off guard, didn't it?
Let me see your foot then.
Watch out! Don't look at my feet. Don't look at my feet.
You know, I know some guys who have a thing for feet. You know?
Nah, stop it.
You understand?
Stop it.
What color are your toenails?
Listen, don't watch that.
Are they white?
Don't watch
Oh
that.
boy! Some of the money might go dead over that.
Oh my gosh.
Your turn.
Right. So, never have I ever skipped school.
You're lying.
I didn't even reply. I didn't reply yet, so.
Okay, I thought so.
Alright. No. I changed that.
You check.
Never have I ever skipped school to link someone. Look at you scrolling back in your memory.
Hold on. I'm gonna think about this real hard and carefully.
Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever. No.
Good.
Who does this one?
What? You're counting.
No. Never have I ever.
You've never.
I've never.
Alright then, it's your turn.
Never have I ever participated in hanky panky outside.
Feel a while that it was. Oh my god. outer door, outside, as in out there.
I drank for myself.
In a bush.
It was actually in a bush.
Oh my days. So, that's a crime.
I mean,
that's a crime.
Yeah, don't worry about it. There's no, you know. Yeah.
Let me think now.
Oh, you have to think now.
Yeah. No, but mine's not gonna be bad in it. Alright. Never have I ever stalked someone on social media.
Define stalk someone else.
What? Just stalk them in it, like just checking their socials day in, day out, stalking. Like borderline creepy.
You know, I feel like that was I feel like you're attacking me personally now.
I'm not, you know.
Because everybody knows
I'm not, you know.
Everybody see me on the show and say something all the time. You understand? So like I feel like you're attacking. Oh, so you're drinking for that? Okay. You better drink up for that. I feel a lot more comfortable now. Never have I ever walked in on my friend in the middle of their session.
Woo! Baba God.
Never have I ever. Yeah, man. I've never done that. My friend them.
You lucky thing.
my friend them are good people.
They're good people.
They're all angels and all these things.
That's
I've
good.
never walked in on them doing anything.
That is really good. You're very lucky for that one. I've not been as fortunate.
So like it happened to you multiple times.
No. It's just a one-off in it and I'm traumatized. Anyways, right. Never have I ever dressed as the opposite sex.
Nope.
I believe you.
You may don't believe me.
I believe you.
Oh, so you think because I do this Jamaican comedy thing, I'm supposed to put
Yeah, like
and I go on like
yeah.
and all these things?
No. Okay. I mean, I like a tomboy phase.
Like a tomboy phase.
Yeah, but
I mean, I feel like girls can get away with it more than, you know.
True.
You know what I mean? Like if you teeth one of my clothes, people not gonna look on you like, you know. But the moment I put on like a 90, I put on like a bad yo, big up Prince Money, you know.
Oh my God.
So like the moment I do that, all of a sudden people gonna be like, why what?
Oh
you understand?
My gosh.
Never have I ever given bun, cheated, been unfaithful to any of my girlfriend there.
Define give bun. Don't even look at me like that. Define give bun.
What do you mean by define give bun? I just said cheated, been unfaithful. Yeah.
Define.
What do you mean by define?
Okay. No.
So like you need to drink for that?
No, because you're not defining it.
What?
You're not specifying.
What crosses girls?
What? Foolishness. You're not specifying what bun means.
How would I just said yeah, but cheat on somebody yet?
Cheating as in
yo.
Like take somebody what?
Like you have your man.
Yeah.
And you gonna link up with another man while you have a man.
No.
What? No, the way how you answer that is so like you need to drink for that.
Nah.
I no more hear the I need to hear the story. No.
That's no story. That's no story.
That's not a story. You're positive.
I'm sure. Yeah. Well, that's funny. Anyways. Let me come up with one. You're alright, funny. Right. Never have I ever forgotten how I've come home from a night out. It gets like that. It gets like that.
Happened to me twice.
Just twice?
Just twice. Just twice? How much time it happened to you?
No. Enough times.
Enough times?
Yeah, sometimes like I'll wake up and I've still got on like my dress from the club and that. It's mad.
How much are you drinking? Blood?
Not a lot, you know.
Wow, okay, alright. Listen to me, mommy, daddy. Wanna grow me right, you understand? Listen, so all of this what I'm saying is it's for fun and games, Alright? Don't worry about it. Cool.
Ditto.
Never have I ever snuck a girlfriend or a boyfriend into my house.
As in inside the building now.
It's so like you come talk about sticking me in the yard.
No. No, that's criminal.
That's criminal.
You want my mom to beat me?
I've fully snuck a girlfriend in my house already.
As in, and you got away with it?
Yes.
Mad.
You're probably not gonna find out until this video. But I have, and it got to a point when I was just like, why do I need to hide? Yo, daddy, my girlfriend afford, you know. Oh, alright, mad. It was just, that simple. So I never had the need to do that anymore. But I've done it once. I've done it twice.
And you live to tell the tale.
I'm telling the tale on YouTube right
now.
That is
amazing. Yeah. I commend you, sir. I do. Never have I ever farted in front of someone that I liked.
I did that purposely.
What the hell? On purpose.
Oh, so now you're drinking.
It's not on purpose though. You're just out here like nah.
Yeah, it's when I get comfortable enough around that girl.
Yeah.
I just let it rip right in front of them.
That's a big no.
And here's the thing. I see what their reaction is like. Listen, man them. If you can fully fart in front of your woman or a girl you like, and them still accept it afterwards, you probably have a good thing going.
So what about if she shows like visual disgust?
Well, I fear I think that because everybody knows say girl probably do it the same way or worse. Isn't it? So me don't want to hear none of that. Cause listen, you see for me for example, me know say shit stink, Isn't me like I know this but I still accept. Never ever eaten jerk pork.
Oh, it's nice,
Fire!
Bear in mind, I'm even Adventist, so that's peak.
Fire!
That's peak, but it's
Fire.
nice. It's
Fire.
nice.
Fire!
You've never eaten jerk pork?
I've never had jerk pork.
It's nice with festivals.
That's fine.
That's
nice.
fine.
Okay.
Good for me, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay.
I would recommend.
That's fine. Fire.
Never have I ever shoplifted. Ew. Teeth.
Listen.
What did you steal?
I was 4 years bubblegum. I was 4 years old.
Out of everything.
I was 4 years old.
Yeah.
My parents told me I couldn't have it. And then while I was walking up, when we were leaving the store, I was like, what do you mean I can't have it? It's right here. And I took it up. And by the time I got in the car, I was like, oh man, Daddy, look. And they were so vexed.
Well done. That's crazy. Bubblegum.
They were so upset.
I've
They
never.
were so upset, yeah. Never have I ever had to take a plan B. Oh, you're a good girl. Alright. Never have I ever. I mean,
What's funny? What's funny?
I mean, men don't have to take plan B, so I mean.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
It's hilarious. Yeah.
Never have I ever had a pregnancy scare. Mad.
So you not drink?
No.
So you've never had a pregnancy scare?
Yeah, you don't? No.
Okay. Okay. Never have I ever passed out from being wasted in public. Wow!
You know them ones where like your head hits the pavement.
What?
Listen, nah, it wasn't cute still. It wasn't cute. You weren't cute, innit?
That's hilarious.
It sounded like you were gonna tell your story though.
I've never passed out in public from being wasted.
Passed out in private.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, in private.
Okay.
Not in public.
Okay.
Like if I'm in a situation around people, boy, yo, Yaadman needs to be on his, best behavior because boy, I don't want people them come look at me and say, yo, that you from YouTube, and there I come braff up the thing and just there I come drink up and I'm going reckless.
Okay.
In private, yes. I'm reckless in private, but I can't do that in public. You crazy? Next thing you know, somebody come film me and come put that on YouTube themselves. You're mad? I refuse to give people free content.
Wow.
As I was saying, boom bam, never have I ever fantasized about someone in this room. I'm just holding on to this.
You just holding it. Allow it, man. That's crazy.
I don't know what you're talking about. After me, never drink.
You're just holding it. Okay.
I'm just hold it.
Just hold it. It's okay. It's okay. Mad. A drunk texted someone. I drunk FaceTime people all the time.
Wow.
FaceTime,
You one of them people.
Yeah. I ring up my best friend, yeah. I be like, girl, it was so lit. Like, listen, I'm really annoyed. Yeah, go on.
Never have I ever lied in this game. See what yo? Yo, people, they don't know it was Yaadman Etan, and yeah, we're done with the video, and I'm not gonna tell you that I feel kind of nice right here now. Isn't me? So yes, people, let me if you want to follow up with this lovely one, you can follow her at what's your social media?
Dr._Johnson.
Is a doctor. Is it me? So people that make sure I said this video get more than 2,000 views, then come like up and subscribe and all them thing there. Is it me I say? And yeah. We're out. I'm tired. Kinda, is it me? Boy.